Hello and welcome to my shop. This is Jim Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll be doing something interesting, so hang around, let's have fun. Okay, I'm starting on another project today, and what you see in the mill right now is going to be the project. Right now I'm just truing the edges up this piece of aluminum. This is going to be another hair dryer bracket actually for the sister-in-law. She's seen the one that I made for Chris, and she's been requesting me to make a hanging aluminum bracket. So what we're going to do here today is, first step is we're just going to true this piece of aluminum up right lightly with a little bit of end mill action. I thought I was contacting it. And so we're going to go down each side of this piece of aluminum, and we're going to true it up. This is going to be the basis of my hair dryer stand. What we're going to do here is we're going to take some screws and bolt to the base of it on the back, and then we're going to more or less make this happen. So I'm going to go over to the other side and rinse and repeat. Plate's the back plate, and I'm just going to drill this with straight up with a drill. I'm thinking it'd be just fine. I've already got my all the work done. Basically, I'm going to put 3 holes equidistant in this. So right now I'm moving to the first one. Okay, there's the first hole. Now we're going to drill. Now these are the wall mounting holes. That's what these are for. These will be the one that you put the anchors into the wall with. So that's the first one. And now once I let off of it, I'm going to go back and re-zero it. Got ahead of myself here. I got ahead of myself. There we go. Now I'll just move it in. I got ahead of myself and forgot a step. Excuse me if I have a bozo moment. One thing about doing it this way, you have to be really precise because it beats at you. And if there's any slack in your table, you just kind of learn to work with it. So what we're going to do here is, alright, then we got one more. Sometimes you can just work your table lock and get that last 4/10. I've done that quite often. What I done is I put the parallel in it, set it, and took it out so I could drill through it. So there's 3 holes to mount to the wall. All right, now this is for the 1032 screws is going to set this plate to the other plate. And I'm just going to show you drilling one of the holes and then bring you back at the end of the bolt pattern. We'll put 4 screws into this to hold it, which I think should be sufficient. And we're going to countersink these, so these are clearance holes I'm drilling now. Remember, we'll countersink the holes as we need them. It's always funny when you do this. Clamp down on these and it moves at 1/10 or 2 in every time. Do a quick sanity check. We did the same thing here. We put them in with the parallels and then we drilled, took the parallels out, clamped it, leveled it, and that way it won't move, but that also allows us not to drill into parallels because we got such close parallels out here to work with. I'll bring you back here in a little bit. Excuse me. We're not even going to use that. We drilled the first one. Problem is the countersink's not big enough. My countersinks need more steps to them. So I'm just going to go back and I'm going to drill these with a drill. And I've reset everything. I'm just going to drill them. No, the bottom's not going to be perfectly flat this way, but I'd rather drill them. And the other one was just a little bit too deep. So I'll have to go in and clean that other one up when I get to it. So we're figuring about 650. And see, now that'll give me enough. I'll check it here. What I'm going to do is compare it together. If it sticks out a little bit, we're going to mill this anyway. So this is to what we're after. Okay. Not that much, obviously, but this is going to do this more on the screw fall. And you get the idea. Let me finish this up and I'll bring you back. Timers tend to work better when you turn them on. And don't they? So I'm trying, I may have to let this down a little bit, make this easier. Now I've done all this talking and not video, and that's really intelligent, folks. But if you never made videos, you wouldn't understand. But it sometimes can be a bit of a mess getting all this stuff in order and trying to do all this and shoot video and talk at the same time. It's like trying to chew gum and walk. So I already got the first hole done. You notice I set a stop up, so I'm working off a very consistent pattern. So all I had to do when I put this plate in is find the one edge, line it up on the middle of where the other plate's going. So fairly simple. Like I say, the degree of precision is a dang hairdryer bracket. My sister-in-law, got to love her. She wanted it. See, she's seen the one we have in our bathroom. Chris just wanted a place to hang a dryer. My sister-in-law's got a piece of plumbing pipe in her bathroom up in Kentucky. This is going to go up there close to Steve Summers. Then about a couple hours before Steve lives, from what I understand. Steve lives over closer to Frankfort, capital Kentucky. Sister-in-law lives over in the corner in Lewis County. So she actually works in Ohio, right over in that area. We're going to have to go up there here. We're going to go out for her birthday pretty soon. And part I hate is going through, by God, West Virginia and the toll roads. It's going to cost us $12 just to drive through West Virginia. Always aggravates me to death. I have to give West Virginia money just to ride through their state. They say they're broke. Well, as many people ride through West Virginia toll road on 77 to 64 or whatnot, I don't see how they're broke. But that's neither here nor there. Alright folks, I'm going to get the rest of these here off camera and we'll see what we got. This looks like this is getting it. Basically I'm pulling back this way another 20 thou. I think it's probably going to be it. But all I want is to be nice and slick. See, everywhere, if you'll notice, that way the screws that I put in earlier, they're going to be right out of the way. And that's going to give us a nice, going to have a few little lines in it from the machine. Not a lot we can do with it. A nice fly cut right across the top. Now see where these screws are back here. That's one of the reasons I wanted to get them in and get all that put together. So when I've done this piece, everything will be flush. That is going to do it right there. Nice slick finish. That's all I was after right there. Okay, now it's a better view. Now what I'm doing is just taking a 1/2 inch drill and I'm just going down through here. We're going to put a 1/2 inch hole in to start with. We're actually going to drill, this is going to be basically about a 2 1/4 inch hole here for the hair dryer to slide down in. There will be a curling iron put on this side. I'm just going, I'm going to, so now I'm going to do something else. It may be a bozo, this might not be. That's an 1.5 inch S&D drill. It's import. The last time you see me drilling with one of these large drills, the shaft snapped off. So today, we're being very careful. Because I need such a big hole, I want to drill out as much as I can. I bought this big S&D drill a while back. I bought 2 of them. Inexpensive imports. Hopefully with this being aluminum, it won't cause us any heartburn, but we don't know. I'm only drilling about 115 with it. People who say that a static phase converter don't work, folks, I'm going to show you they do. Of course, I got a fairly powerful mill, and if I do lose power, I'm not taking a big current, I'm being very patient. After a couple of attempts, we did get it through. But this is going to be the hole. What we're going to probably do is drill a hole about this size on the other side here in a little bit for the blow dryer to slide down in. And it's supposed to be somewhere around, you know, it's supposed to be a little smaller. We'll drill a smaller hole and bore it. Okay, I'm going to try something else so I don't have to do as much with the boring bar. There's another shot of my fly cutting boring bar. And all I'm using, this is this little old fly cutter. Carbide bit on it. And like I say, I'm wanting somewhere around about 2 1/4 inches. Give us plenty of room for the hair dryers to slide in and out of it. So, hopefully this will be enough. That's the way we're doing it. Let me check the size on it and I'll come right back. Okay, now I'm going to start the hole for the blow dryer. I'm going to use an angular cutter. And go take the time and run all down in there. That's my starting hole. I'm boring it now. I just took a couple more thousandths just to get the chatter out. And that's what I'm after now. This should be the finished bore once I check the size on it. I just want this one. This is somewhere got to be in the neighborhood. Basically, there's a curling iron got to drop into this one. I'll round the corners and stuff by hand. Take some Scotch-Brite and polish it. It'll be good to go. Now there's the finish of the bore. I'll check it, but I'm pretty sure, like I say, I ain't got to hit a real tight number. The 1/4 inch is good. Okay, I wanted to show you the completed unit here. That's the completed unit to go there, there, and then the top view. What will happen, this will be hung on the wall like this. So I'm going to get this ready to go in the mail to the sissy. I hope you enjoyed the video. So let's put a disclaimer out of the way. This video is my idea how to do things. It's not the only way. So I hope you enjoyed it today. The other thing, comments are always welcome. Please take the time if you feel so inclined to make a comment on my videos. Also, I appreciate all my subscribers, the new ones and the new ones. And finally, the other disclaimer. This is a copyrighted production of James Dedman, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, for your enjoyment on YouTube. Thank you, have a great day, and we will see you in the next video.